I'm back from the shopping city and I spent all my money. But I'm going to show you what I got. Comment down below before I show you and guess what I've bought. It's a type of squishy. No, it's not a dumpling. I got noodles! I literally just had this one out. So we're going to get the jellyfish one out. It's sticky, I don't really like it. And then the sticks down there, as you can see. So we're going to open this. I can't wait, y'all. This feels absolutely amazing. Ah! What the Sigma? Look how stretchy this stupid thing is. Well, that can be the end for now. Bye, guys.